Hi friends, my name is Mujahid. Today's video we will learn about MySQL database. We know about the definition. SQL means structured query language, a language for querying and manipulating data. What is database? Database means a collection of data or collection of tables. In the database what we have? Number of tables. What is data? Data is a information that is stored in the database. Before going to the commands, you just install MySQL software in your system. Let's open MySQL from command prompt using MySQL-u space root-p. One minute, just I want to check the version of MySQL which I am using. So for that, just I will type MySQL version. It will display MySQL version 8 I am using. Okay. Now let's open MySQL space -u root -p. Hit the enter and enter the password which I have given at the installation time. Now we will write the commands here. To see the list of database, just use the command show databases. Look here, we get the list of databases. To create the database, just use the syntax like create database, database name, semicolon. Look at the command prompt, create database. I'm using DB1 as a name, semicolon. Once I hit the enter, then the query is filed and database is created. To check that, just use the command before one, show databases. Let's create up to 10 databases. Now check the databases using show databases. All are added. To drop the database, use the syntax drop database, database name. Look at the command prompt, drop database, database name as DB10, DB9, DB8, DB7, DB6, DB5. These databases I am deleting. To check, use the show databases command and look here, the databases are deleted. To select a specific database such as DB4 from a list of databases, we have the command use. The syntax should be like use database name. To check which database is currently selected, we have the command like select database method. So this, if there is no database is selected, then it show null. If you use DB4, then it will be show the database name as DB4. For example, look at the command prompt.